Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace struts on Honda CRV easy method. Jack up the front, place jack stands under strong points, and remove the front wheel to expose the strut. Use a spring compressor when separating the spring from the strut assembly to avoid sudden release of tension. Keep organized trays for bolts and label each part as you remove it. Take photos for reference and work methodically to save time and avoid mistakes. Start by supporting the lower control arm with a jack or stand, then disconnect the sway bar link and any brake components in the way. Remove the lower strut bolts and carefully push the assembly out of the steering knuckle. With the top mount nuts loosened earlier, lift the strut assembly free from the engine bay. Keep bolts and hardware separated by location so reassembly is straightforward and efficient for both sides. Hey, quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great while you work. It's small, inexpensive, and makes those long wrenching sessions much more pleasant, plus it pairs surprisingly well with greasy hands and coffee. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support future content. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Compress the spring, assemble it onto the new strut, and torque the top mount according to specifications. Lift the assembled strut into the knuckle, hand thread the lower bolts, then torque them to the correct values while the suspension is at ride height if required. Reattach sway bar links, brake components, and any sensors. Check clearances and confirm all fasteners are secure. Repeat on the other side for balanced handling and a safe driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.